When I make chicken like this, there's nothing left. I'll start by cutting 3 chicken breasts into fillets. How do you cook chicken at home? I'd love to hear your recipe. Once that's done, we'll use a meat mallet to give the fillets light taps. Now let's season with salt to taste, black pepper to taste, paprika to taste, oregano to taste, and I'll spread it well so the seasonings infuse into the chicken. We'll place 1 fillet on top of another to spread the seasoning on the back of each. Now I'll add to this bowl 1 chopped tomato, 1 onion sliced, 3 grated boiled eggs, 150 grams of mozzarella, parsley to taste, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and I'll mix all these ingredients very well. Next, I'll place the chicken fillets inside. And before I forget, let me know which city you're watching us from so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Liam Thompson from Birmingham. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Finally, we'll add our mixture over the chicken. Make chicken like this at home and then come back to tell me what you think. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. Look at how delicious our recipe is turning out. And I'll bake it in the oven at 392 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. I'll cut a piece so you can see how delicious it turned out.